Yung election ng Senate President, it requires majority of all its members. Kung totoo nga na pinalit ng Senado si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, ay violation po yan ng provision po ng Article 16, Article 6, Section 16. Hindi mo pwedeng may apply yung kaso ng Avellino versus Cuenco kasi yun ang binabanggit eh. It is a 1949 case at doon sa provision ng 1935 Constitution, yung election ng Senate President, wala pong nakalagay na all its members, kundi majority of the members thereof. So, yung Avellino versus Cuenco, kaya 12 yung nag-elect, natanggal si Senator Avellino at naipasok na bagong Senate President si Senator Cuenco kasi isa sa mga senador noon, si Senator Tomas Confesor, was out of the country. So practically, 23 lamang yung senators na nasa Pilipinas at that time. Yung isa pang ang senador ay nasa hospital. He was indisposed, si Senator Vicente Soto Sr., na wala doon din sa session. So, yung 12 na Nationalista Party senators under the leadership of Senator Mariano Cuenco ay nag-convince sila at nag-elect sila ng Senate President at na-elect nga si Senator Cuenco. Nakarating yan sa Korte Suprema yung kaso na yan at pinaliwanag ng Korte Suprema for purposes of determining a quorum to transact business, what is required is majority of the members of the Senate.